Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the battery in my 2012 Mercedes-Benz C300. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be changing out the battery in my Mercedes-Benz C300. I was up in northern Minnesota the other day and it left me stranded. I had to get a jump start. Battery does not hold much of a charge. So the first thing I need to do is actually open the hood. The hood release is underneath here. It is the red lever. And you just pull that lever to pop the hood. And then back here along the firewall is where the battery is located. There's a little hook here that you flip up, and then this comes off. The guy that came out from the shop that jump started the car, he's like, "Oh, that's a pretty old battery." And it's like, "Yep, it is. 2017. One thing I like about this Mercedes battery though is it's got the little handles built in. So once I get the cables disconnected, I can just lift it right out of there. So I need to open this up. There you go, there's a positive and there's a ground. Alright, this is a 10 millimeter. That's a 10 millimeter. There are two 13 millimeter hold downs. So, gotta get those off of there, and then I can lift out the battery. And there's the hold down bracket. And then the new battery just goes right back in its place. Alright, and that did not go in as gracefully as it came out. So I'm going to get that hold down bracket on there. you go. That's how you change a battery. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching TheGarageUSA. I'm Jonathan Brinky, and I'll see you next time.